Hi, I'm Jarrett Chambers, and here we are today getting ready to go out spraying. We've staged the crop, we staged the weeds, everything's looking fantastic. But one of the questions that we need to ask is, how healthy is our plant at this time of the year? It's quite common that we'll actually see our seedlings kind of almost stalling at this stage in the plant's life cycle. So why are these seedlings stalling? Well, I think they're stalling possibly for two different reasons. The first one is the environment. If we have cold air temperatures or cold soils, it really means that plant is not respiring as efficiently as possible, and it just kind of isn't growing the way we'd like it to. Now, when doing this, what could also happen if we actually dig up the plant and look at the roots, we more than likely have a limited, restricted rooting system that hasn't accessed the fertilizer that's placed in the fertilizer bed. The other thing that's going to happen this time is, have we maybe overlooked a nutrient that we should have put on into the soil? This also can lead to the seedling stalling effect. Now, the key thing that we want to do is we want to get that root system growing. We want to get it accessing the nutrients that are in the soil to really prepare itself for this herbicide application, so that we push through it and we really drive the genetic potential of the crop. So how do we address some of these limitations that can cause seedling stall in our plants? Well, at ATP, we focus in on the essential nutrients that are really going to drive rooting and overcome some of the stalling effect that can happen. There's a lot of essential nutrients required to drive the plant at this stage in the life cycle. It's very complex, but at ATP, we try to make it simple. So working in combination with UFA, we've made an entire line of products called Magnify. Now, the Magnify line is designed specifically for each crop, whether it be cereals or canola or pulses. And for each crop, we've added the essential nutrients in the right ratios and in the right form to maximize fertilizer uptake and nutrient use efficiency. To really be sure that we hit the goal on our nutrient use efficiency, we've also added our proprietary products called the Transit S technology, along with our biological activators. So it's very easy to use Magnify. You put it into your spray tank with your herbicide and you just go across the field. To learn more about Magnify, its rates, its timing, its uses, along with the compatibility, you can go to atpnutrition.ca, or you could also go to ufa.com. Have a good time spraying this year.